Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to disable Windows updates in Windows 8. So if you just want to turn it off and then manually check for updates whenever it's convenient for you, this tutorial will be for you. So we're going to jump into it and we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Just click on the start button one time, type in Windows Update. Best match should come back with Windows Update Settings. We want to left click on that. Left click on where it says choose how updates get installed. And then it says important updates. You want to click inside this drop down menu. And if you want to change the settings, this is how you do it. So you either set never check for updates, but let me choose whether to download and install them, or download updates but let me choose whether to install them. So if you're looking to completely disable it, you would just select never check for updates. So if you want to do that, you could, or you just check for updates, and then when you go into the Windows Update settings, if you see you have updates, you would have the ability to update them. But again, if we're trying to completely disable it, we're going to select never check for updates, and recommended updates, or it says give me recommended updates the same way I receive important updates. If that's checkmarked, well, you can see whatever we have for important updates is going to be the same thing. So just keep that in mind. Left click on apply, and that's pretty much it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial.